Hello, today I want to show the issue with no audio of my head unit device from Join. So, the engine is already started. So we have our head unit in the boot process. Okay, so let's see. There is a auto-run launch of the media player, so it plays. However, there is no audio, so I am increasing the volume. You should see this on the screen. There is no beep on this button, and there is no loudness of the sound. So I am increasing, decreasing, I am muting, I am unmuting, so it doesn't matter. Okay, so actually this is my issue. Some words. So this head unit was installed almost a year ago. It was installed successfully, and I had a sound. I could listen to music, I could listen to the navigator tips, and after some time, I guess a month ago, the sound started to being dropped after the head unit boot, so I could listen only some pieces of audio, and after 10 minutes of work, I guess, it started to play sound of the music and to pronounce the navigation tips. However, I guess almost a week ago, I have completely lost my sound and got the same situation. So I need your help to understand whether this is a software problem or hardware problem, and whether it could be recovered or not. Thank you.